Have you ever walked into a room and noticed that one person, they didn't say a word, they didn't even try, yet everyone was drawn to them like a magnet? That's aura. That's social power. And the good news? It's not magic. It's a skill. In this video, I'll break down the 6 most powerful social skills that literally anyone can master to build a magnetic aura, the kind of energy that commands respect, attracts opportunities, and makes people want to be around you. These are the same principles used by leaders, celebrities, therapists, and even covert agents. And you're about to learn them in the simplest way possible. Skill number 1. The power of calm presence. Stillness is dominance. When everyone is fidgeting, talking fast, over-explaining, the person who remains calm, grounded, and still instantly stands out. Why? Because calmness signals control. Control of yourself and control of the room. According to psychologist Amy Cuddy, people judge you instantly on 2 traits, warmth and competence. And calmness is the nonverbal signal of both. How to master it? Breathe slower than the people around you. Respond instead of react. Make silence your ally, because stillness isn't emptiness. It's power under control. Skill number 2, the art of listening like a mirror. Most people hear to reply, but magnetic people, they listen to connect. Real listening is rare, and rare things are valuable. How it creates aura. When someone feels heard, they open up. And when they open up, they feel safe with you. Safety is emotional gold. It turns strangers into fans. Neuroscience shows that active listening activates mirror neurons, literally making the speaker feel more emotionally bonded to you. Use the 3-second pause after someone finishes speaking. It shows you're absorbing, not rushing. Watch how their body language opens up to you. Skill number 3, intentional eye contact. Not creepy, not weak. Eye contact is your silent handshake. And done right, it speaks volumes. Magnetic people don't dart their eyes around. They don't scan the room nervously. They anchor people with their gaze, soft, steady, respectful. Study by MIT. Eye contact increases emotional recognition and trust. Leaders who maintain calm eye contact are perceived as 20% more charismatic. Use the triangle method. Look at the left eye, then right eye, then mouth. It feels natural. It maintains presence. And it subtly signals, I see you. Skill number 4. Emotional control. Be the thermostat, not the thermometer. Magnetic people don't just manage their emotions. They manage the emotions of everyone around them. They're the emotional thermostat in the room. When others panic, they stay grounded. When others gossip, they rise above. When tension builds, they breathe calm into the moment. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. How to build it? Delay reactions. Ask yourself, is this worth my peace? Don't feed every emotion that visits your mind. Emotional control is the ultimate flex. It makes you magnetic in chaos and respected in calm. Skill number 5. Speak like you mean it. Minimal words, maximum impact. The magnetic aura isn't about talking more. It's about talking meaningfully. Use fewer words, but make them count. Use pauses. Use metaphors. Use stories. Communication researchers found that speakers who pause deliberately are seen as more confident and intelligent. Practice the Obama pause technique. Say something powerful, then pause. Let land. Make people wait for your next sentence. It commands attention and triggers curiosity. Skill number 6. Make others feel important without faking it. If there's one social skill that instantly boosts your aura, it's this. Make others feel seen. But don't do it with fake compliments or over-the-top praise. Do it with presence, curiosity, and genuine appreciation. How to do it naturally. Use their name. Remember something they told you. Ask how they felt about something, not just what they did. Research from Dale Carnegie's Legacy. People's favorite topic is themselves. Let them shine in your presence, and they'll walk away thinking you're amazing, without knowing why. Listen closely. The aura you dream of, the undeniable charisma, the magnetic presence, the natural respect. It's not some gift reserved for the lucky few. It's not about how you look, how rich you are, or how loud you speak. It's something you build, brick by brick, thought by thought, habit by habit. It's shaped in the quiet moments when no one's watching, and it shines in the loud moments when everyone's paying attention. The magnetic aura isn't a performance. It's not pretending to be something you're not. It's being so aligned with who you are that the world can't look away. So here's your blueprint. Learn to be still, because in a world addicted to noise, silence is strength. Listen like it's art, because when people feel heard, they feel valued. Look people in the eye, because true presence speaks louder than words. Control your inner weather, because the one who controls emotion controls the room. Speak like a leader, not to impress, but to impact. Make others feel like royalty, because people will forget what you said, but never how you made them feel. This is how you build aura, not through tricks, but through transformation. Because the most magnetic people, they don't chase attention. They don't beg for validation. They become so undeniably grounded, so genuinely confident, so deeply intentional, that attention naturally flows to them. If even one part of this speech spoke to your soul, then your journey has already begun. Comment, "I'm building my aura," below, so I know who's serious about leveling up. If you found value, like this video, it fuels the mission. Subscribe if you're ready to master the psychology of power, persuasion, and presence. Not for ego, but for impact. Because you were never meant to blend in. You were built to be magnetic.